Just 1 hour time ready the simple blouse stitching. Simple blouse stitching. Border saree blouse. Simple method and very easy method. Simple blouse. Border saree blouse. Top side lining piece attached. Division Maya. Tension margin lining piece attached. Back down side. Next stitching. Next stitching. Natch. Round neck natch. Eighth side stitching. Back bottom side down stitching. Lining. Neck lining joint stitching. Bottom stitching lining. Top side stitching. Back neck top side stitching. Full round stitching. Back lining piece, body piece, full round stitching edges side. Cut the extra pieces. Extra piece cutting. Back bottom side stitching. Downside stitch. Back side dot. Mark the 7 centimeter dots. Marking. Five centimeter length dot, back side dot, 2 side dot, back side. One centimeter dots. Back piece is ready. Dots, back neck. Sleeve attaching, sleeve ready piece. Top side, fabric piece, sleeve lining piece. Edge side stitching, lining edge. Attach the lining and body piece. Attaching. Downside stitching, attaching the lining. Next, downside stitching, sleeve downside. Two sleeve, same all stitching. Cut the edges piece. Sleeve ready. Front side neck stitching and turn the neck. First neck shape stitching. Cut the extra piece neck side. Front opposite piece neck stitching. Neck side edges stitching, top side edge stitching, neck side stitching. Lining and body piece attaching. Front chest dots to an end of line 1 centimeter, 1 inch. Hook side dots to an end of sleeve arm side dot 4 and off. Five centimeter dots, sleeve side stitching, arm dots. Folding the piece, stitching the dots. Chest side. फ्रंट रेडी हुआ है. फ्रंट चेस्ट पट्टी स्ट्रिप पीस. वन पीस फैब्रिक पीस, lining piece, 2 lining piece, 1 fabric piece. Stitching the opposite piece, natch, opposite piece stitching. Lining piece, edge side stitching. Cut the extra pieces. Left side piece, this is the jab, open the jab piece. Natch, stitch the natch piece stitching. Natch end, natch stitch. Front job piece, jab, pocket piece. Blouse front pocket piece. Attach front piece, front attaching. stitching. Pocket piece attaching front. Pocket lining piece stitching. This piece now stitching is lining piece. Stitching pocket piece side, top side stitching. Front pocket ready. Hook side piece, hooks and thread piece jointing front. Down side, next side stitching. Stitching the piece, stitch the piece. Hooks piece attaching. Stitching the edge side. Folding the bottom. Stitching the hooks piece. Front ready. Back piece. Shoulder joint, back and front. Shoulder joint. Shoulder attaching ready. Sleeve attaching body. And check the shape front side and sleeve attaching front shape, sleeve front attaching the front side. Sleeve notch, center notch, shoulder joint, center notch and shoulder joint lock. Sleeve front shape and body front shape attach. Shoulder notch joint. Two side sleeve attaching, back side and back sleeve shape attach. Attaching the sleeve, side stitching. Side stitch shoulder center, sleeve marking follow stitching, marking the follow stitching. Front follow the notch, follow the marking and downside marking the follow. Mark the measurement, downside marking follow. Distance the stitching and another extra stitchings. Same method, two side sleeve attaching side, blouse attaching side, two side, shoulder center, marking the follow. Follow the notch. Ready the blouse. Very simple method, blouse stitching. Just 1 hour time stitching the blouse, simple.